So that's clay or is it a
Like clay
cast
and dirt.
iron?
No, what's on the cable is like
Oh.
clay and dirt.
But the pipe itself should be,
It's cast iron. It should
Yeah.
transition to clay once it leaves the house.
yeah.
Clean the lens off a little so we can kind of see what's going on.
I know.
Because normally it's like, turn on a sink, it'll flush it out.
That's when it's like, it looks like that water is just stagnant.
Sitting, yeah.
And it's just like so mucky, full of muck.
Yep.
How much would you charge, like, let's say like 100-unit apartment complex when they do the due diligence?
Oh, on the cameras?
Yeah.
It's $185 for the initial setup, and then $120 per drain. Then if we're gonna camera,
Yeah.
if it was cleaning, it depends on access and how they want it cleaned.
Oh, cool. Yeah, man, there's just,
That's as far as she's going, and then we can locate it and figure out where it's at.
I want to say, because